Hi guys, it's Justin Costello coming to you from your Boston Whaler mega store here in MarineMax Pompano Beach. Showing you a brand new Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. The boat just got unwrapped. Beautiful, full light blue hull. Comes with a tandem axle trailer, 150 horsepower, 4-stroke motor. Let's step up so I can show you some of the options we get. Just want to look at how nicely finished this boat is. We got seats, port and starboard, which is an upgraded option. So cushions built into the deck. You don't lose any space. Removable backrest. So if you did want to do a little trolling, we can pull these out. And you would have rod storage and the backrest there. It's got a fusion stereo system with speakers, reversible pilot seat with live well. So really great live well space. If you don't fish, it can be a great cooler. Fusion stereo head unit right here. Again, simple gauges with a tachometer, volt, fuel, oil pressure, and temperatures. Plenty of space on the dash if you wanted to flush mount a GPS or fish finder. Fishing package, which gives you the compass, the tackle center storage, and the console, as well as the rod storage behind the cooler, removable cooler seat with cushion. Then look at this, for the model change was a completely insulated finished fiberglass fish well. So you can throw ice in here, you can throw your fish in here, you can throw gear in here, which is completely separate from the anchor locker that's in the front. We also got this boat rigged with a bow cushion. So let me put this down here and you can see that you got this big, huge open bow area to lounge. You got grab handles, cup holders, radio controls up here for your guests, and then no rails. So it's beautiful. You can beach it, go right to the beach, jump off the front. You got a trolling motor panel, which is nice down here if you ever wanted to add a trolling motor, as well as a black bimini top. The boat is available for purchase. It's right here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. You give me a call, Justin Costello, 954-633-2070.